How to turn off comments on any TikTok live video. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually turn off comments on any TikTok live videos. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first things first, what you want to make sure is that you have simply actually updated the TikTok app to the latest version. If you haven't already updated TikTok, you could simply head over to your device's app store. In the search box, type in TikTok and go ahead and simply download or update the TikTok app to the latest version. Once you've actually updated TikTok, I'm going to open it, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. So simply actually log into your account first of all. Now after you log into TikTok, what you have to do is simply tap on the live button on the top left hand side of the screen. So right here at the top left hand side, you'll be able to see this live option. So you can simply tap on this live option that you see. As you tap on this live button, you'll be taken to a place where you have a section of all of the live videos on TikTok. So you can basically see and wait for the live videos to actually load up, as you can see right over here. Now you can see, like, after you actually watch a video for a certain while, here you'll be able to see a list of all of these comments you can see right over here. And what if you actually want to remove these comments, because it is actually very annoying. In order to remove and turn off these comments, what you have to do is from the left hand side of the screen, you want to simply swipe right. So let me just do that quickly. As you can see, if I swipe right, it is going to turn off the comments. If I come back to its original position, it is going to load the comments again. What you have to do is simply swipe right. Let me go ahead and actually do this for any other videos. Right over here you can see, let the videos and the comments to actually load up first, and then I'm going to actually simply swipe right in order to remove the comments in any other video or particular video as well, as you can see right over here. So let me just go ahead and repeat the same process for all other videos as well. I'm going to simply swipe towards the right hand side of the screen. And this is basically it on how you can very easily remove any comments or turn off comments on TikTok live videos. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.